Hey everyone! If you're here, it probably means you're thinking about buying a microphone. Whether you're starting a podcast, recording music, gaming, or just want better sound quality, getting the right mic can make a world of difference. But with all the options out there, it can get confusing. So let's break it down into the things you really need to know before you buy. 1. Know the different types of microphones. First up, there are different types of mics, mainly dynamic and condenser microphones. If you're recording vocals in a studio or a quiet space, a condenser mic might be the best choice because it's super sensitive and can capture all the little details. But if you're on a stage or in a louder environment, a dynamic mic might be better because it's tougher and can handle high sound levels without getting distorted. Knowing what type you need can help narrow down your search. 2. Think about your recording space. The space you'll be using your mic in really matters. Some mics are more sensitive to background noise, so if you're in a busy or echoey space, you might want a mic that only picks up what's right in front of it, like a cardioid microphone. This way, it's not grabbing all the background sounds or those annoying echoes. But if you're in a quiet room and want to capture sound all around, you might consider an omnidirectional mic. 3. Compatibility matters. Not all mics work with every setup. If you're recording straight to your computer, you'll probably want a USB microphone because it's plug and play, easy, quick, and no extra equipment needed. If you're going for a more professional setup, an XLR microphone might be what you need. But keep in mind, XLR mics usually need an audio interface, which adds a bit to the cost and complexity. So, think about your setup and what's most convenient for you. 4. Look for features that'll make your life easier. Some microphones come with extra features like built-in pop filters to soften those P and beep sounds, or shock mounts to absorb vibrations. These might seem minor, but they can save you time and effort by improving your sound quality right off the bat. Decide what's important for you. If you know you'll need clean, smooth audio without a lot of fuss, these features are definitely worth considering. 5. Set a realistic budget. There are microphones for every budget, so set one that feels comfortable for you. Good mics are available at all price ranges. If you're just starting, you don't need to go for the most expensive one. Often, a solid mid-range mic will do the trick. On the other hand, if this is a major investment for a project, it might be worth splurging a little to get exactly what you need. Just make sure you're spending on what actually matters for your goals. Wrapping up. So, there you have it. A few key things to keep in mind before buying a microphone. By understanding the types, thinking about your space, checking compatibility, looking for helpful features, and sticking to your budget, you'll be ready to pick the mic that's perfect for you. Good luck, and happy recording.